Hi, I'm Amanda Davis with Ray and Poynor Properties. I'd like to welcome you to one of the oldest estates in Mountain Brook. It's one of the original Jemison estates. So let's go in, 2812 Surrey Road. The main level features large rooms, great flow for entertaining, and a stunning Cantley & Company kitchen, which we'll see in a minute. All will enjoy the gorgeous rooms, the fabulous layout, and the enviable location, walking distance to Mountain Brook Elementary School and Mountain Brook Village. As you walk through the elegant, formal, yet modern dining room, you will walk into the beautifully redone Cantley & Company kitchen. Everything has been custom built for today's modern chef. Top of the line stainless steel appliances. The kitchen is open to the den and includes a large island with a counter bar and a breakfast room with a built-in banquette. This home features 4 bedrooms, including an inviting and relaxing master suite that has been renovated to include double vanities with beautiful marble countertops and a separate tub and shower. There's also a playroom on the 3rd level that could be a 5th bedroom with an ensuite bath if needed. For more information or private viewing, please give me a call, Amanda Davis, Ray and Poynor. Thanks. Wait, you're still here? Go get your agent or call me if you need one. Go on.